Have you ever had hiccups? What happens when you have hiccups? Have you ever seen a cute dragon having hiccups? Dilo gets hiccups before a big day. Instead of hic, he goes bubble. Soon, the forest is full of floating bubbles and laughter. Fun lesson. Small problems can turn into big fun.